1967. A quiet, unassuming year that would soon be shattered by a shocking discovery in Virginia, an abandoned Soviet research facility where ethically questionable experiments had been taking place for over a decade. The most haunting part of this tale? The subjects were not humans, but rather man's best friend, dogs. The clandestine operation was led by Dr. Igor Vasilyevich Tkachenko, a Soviet scientist specializing in radiation and its effects on living organisms. This shadowy figure had been conducting secretive research at the behest of the Soviet government since the late 1950s, largely flying under the radar of American intelligence agencies. But how did this come to light? Enter Robert L. Johnson, a retired Air Force captain and an accomplished intelligence officer with a knack for uncovering secrets. While investigating reports of unusual activity in Virginia, he stumbled upon an abandoned Soviet research complex. As he delved deeper into the mystery, what he found was far more chilling than he could have ever imagined. Hidden within the labyrinthine depths of this deserted facility were rows upon rows of kennels, filled with skeletal remains of dogs that had once been part of Tkachenko's gruesome experiments. These poor animals had been subjected to intense radiation doses in an attempt to study its effects on their physiology and behavior. The secret Soviet research facility in Virginia wasn't just any clandestine lab, it was a grim reminder of the darker side of scientific progress. The dogs, whose lives were cut short due to these unethical experiments, served as unwilling martyrs in this tale of forgotten history. But why choose Virginia? According to declassified documents from both American and Soviet sources, it appears that Tkachenko had chosen this location due to its close proximity to the United States' own nuclear research facilities. By conducting his work near these sites, he hoped to gain valuable insights into how the US government was handling similar issues related to radiation exposure. One can only speculate about the true motivations behind such a nefarious operation. Some argue that Tkachenko aimed to develop a new generation of weapons utilizing radioactive materials, while others believe he sought to create an army of superdogs capable of withstanding high levels of radiation. Unfortunately, the exact nature of these experiments remains shrouded in mystery. What we do know is this. Between 1957 and 1967, a secret Soviet research facility operated covertly in Virginia, subjecting countless dogs to lethal doses of radiation in an attempt to further the Soviet Union's scientific understanding. The discovery of this clandestine lab serves as a stark reminder of the ethical dilemmas that arise when politics and science intertwine. As we continue our exploration of The Lost Lab, join us as we delve deeper into this murky world of covert operations, suppressed inventions, and hidden science. Together, let's uncover the truth behind these mysterious events and shed light on the forgotten corners of history. The key players, Dr. Enrico Fermi, the US government, and the Soviet spy ring. As we delve deeper into the enigma that is The Lost Lab, it's crucial to examine the intricate web of individuals and institutions that played a part in its existence. Among these key players were Dr. Enrico Fermi, an illustrious physicist, and the United States government, which was embroiled in a dangerous game of espionage with the Soviet Union during the height of the Cold War. Dr. Kerschel to examine DCA Cold. Enrico Fermi, a Nobel laureate in physics, was an Italian-American physicist who made groundbreaking contributions to both theoretical and experimental physics. Among his many accomplishments, Fermi is perhaps best known for creating the world's first nuclear reactor, Chicago Pile 1, which initiated the era of nuclear power. His expertise in the field of nuclear physics made him a valuable asset to the United States government during World War II and the subsequent Cold War period. In 1942, Fermi joined the Manhattan Project, a research effort led by the US government that aimed to develop the first atomic bomb. Following the successful test of the weapon in July 1945, the United States dropped 2 atomic bombs on the Japanese cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki, ultimately bringing an end to World War II. As tensions between the United States and the Soviet Union escalated during the early years of the Cold War, both nations engaged in a dangerous game of espionage, seeking to gain an advantage over their adversary through intelligence gathering and covert operations. It was within this context that The Lost Lab emerged. Unbeknownst to many, a Soviet spy ring had successfully infiltrated the Manhattan Project, providing valuable information about nuclear research to the Soviet Union. Among these spies were Fermi's colleagues, Klaus Fuchs and Theodor Hall. Both men held important positions within the project and had access to classified information related to the development of the atomic bomb. Fuchs, a German physicist,